Alright, so we're out here today, fishing this creek. I got this little, glide bait type lure on, little micro 1/16 ounce glide bait. Um, Seen a lot of activity around here, of course on the BFS combo. I've seen a lot of, bass out here, just, um, just a minute ago. So if I can actually cast this, I hope I can get some. I did get a chest mount and a microphone. Hopefully make my recordings better. It's not casting good today. I have not fished traditional gear in quite a while. So there's a lot of bass right up there. So casting is not gonna be good today. Um yeah. Hope this camera angle is good. Has these like fancy water boots, rain boots. They're kind of like fancy rain boots, I guess. Have some of those on right now, so I can wade just a little bit in the water, which is pretty cool. And this little stretch is usually pretty good. Some deeper parts down right there. This is Cashe Creek. Bass tend to be in this little stretch of Cashe Creek. Tend to be pretty feisty, especially around this time of the year. There's a lot of carp up here too. I highly doubt I'm gonna get onto a carp though. That'd be fun, but I don't think so. I think I just got bit. Yeah, they feel like I have some weeds on. I'm gonna walk it right down here, and I did have some weeds on. Get these weeds off. Oh, it's a bass right there. This too. How can I cast? Wait, this looks natural. Yeah, no. No way. Oh, there's a lot of bass right here. It's like little babies, but better than getting skunked. And I got my treble tangled with my line. Oh, that's no good. Oh my god. He bit it twice. Oh my god, that's so funny. He missed it twice and he bit it twice. That's not good. Oh my god. I think that's the worst backlash I ever got. I do not have anything that's gonna cut this thick, this line too. I usually just use my teeth to cut the line. Alright, so I just got that backlash out. Took like an hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Took me down to my backing. So my spool's extremely shallow and it's not looking good. Yep, not looking good. While I was entangling my reel, I did see a lot of blowups over here. So That's like a 1/19 ounce jig head with a little little soft plastic tube. I wish I definitely had the proper jig head to use, but I definitely do not. Casting is so much better. Oh my god. No way. Oh my gosh. Look at the little man. Look at him. Nice little fish. Here's my lure. Ripped a little hole in his mouth. My fault, bud. There we go. It's like a better camera angle. Nice little fish. He beat the skunk. Oh, there's a couple more up here. Might be able to get on a few. It's like my favorite place to fly fish. I should just went fly fish. Oh, there's a carp right there. It's a big carp. I need to go do some carp fishing out here sometime. There's a lot of carp out here. Oh, this fish. Oh, he tossed it. Oh, there it goes. At least, it doesn't really count, but at least the footage isn't going to be as boring. Oh my god. It's like 3 little bass up here. Straight fighting over this lure. Oh, there we go. That looks like the one I just hooked onto a second ago. There we go. Nice little bass. Beautiful little guy. A real splash. Definitely glad I didn't go home. Fishing is not going to be very good. We don't have too much longer before it gets dark out here. So, I am going to have to go soon, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm going to have to call it wraps. It's pretty fun coming out here today. It's Thursday, the 21st of 2026. Someone left all their line right here. On Cashe Creek. It's pretty fun being out here. I appreciate the support just by watching the video. I'm not gonna ask you to like, subscribe, but if you want to see more of my content, maybe consider subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video.